y'all, it's Hope here from Crafty Hope and welcome. Today I'm revealing what I got from Jesse James Beads. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I have the pleasure of being a Jesse James Beads design ambassador, which means they send me lovely boxes of beads for me to share with y'all and design with and, you know, kind of show off. This time they have sent me one of the magical mystery bead boxes. Now, the Jesse James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box is their subscription bead program. It is a great way to build up your bead stash. You can sign up for it, I think, monthly or quarterly or yearly and get these bead box subscriptions in. I don't know really what's in this box. It is a mystery to me, so we're gonna open it together and see what I got. I think I did see that it may be the one from May, maybe. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna find out. I have my bead mat here so we can put our beads down on it and see what happens. Oh, let me get it open. Ooh, blues. I see blues. I'm happy. So this is, yes, is the one from May 2022, which is the Treasure Trove, Journey to the Depths of the Deep Blue Sea with Sparkly Treasure from Jesse James Beads. And I have a list of what's inside. So I guess maybe we can just go down this list. So the first thing is a seashell Haishi bead strand. And I'm going to guess that's this one with all of its, let me see, maybe do that. With all of its pinks and coralies. Look at that. That is quite a good length of Haishi beads. You can make quite a few things with it. And I've been wanting to play with some Haishi beads. I haven't. They're not my usual rotation, so that's great. So then there is the Ocean Floor Natural Stone Geode Pendant. Let me see if I can find that. Ooh, oh my goodness, y'all, I can see some of the things in here and I'm getting super excited. Oh, it is wrapped up in its own little bubble wrap. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look how pretty this is. Oh, I love surprises. Alright, so it has like a gold surround here, if you can see. And it has some like transparency to it. And it is massive. Look how big this is. Do I have a ruler? Not when I need one. Y'all, this is about 3¼ inches big. So that is a serious pendant. I am almost wondering if I can, I'm already looking at it, wondering if I can add another loop on this side, but I don't know if I can do it in gold or not. I don't know. We're gonna think on that, but it is, yeah, okay. Next is Bead Strand in Sandy Shores. I'm gonna say that's this. Oh my, these are some big old beads too. So we've got definitely a gold palette going on here. There's lots of, and I was thinking that I didn't have enough bead caps from Jesse James Bead in gold. So yeah, I've got a few more gold ones. So there's bead caps and a small gold bead with a crystal. There's 2 of these like pearls with gold wire around it. These cage beads, these boho beads with the shell, the crushed shell on them, more crystals, and then this beauty here, which I can't tell. I guess it's encased in resin. I was trying to see if it was like a snow globe and would move, but I don't think it does. So that is neat. I'm trying to think what I can do with that. All right. Bead strand in Tide Pool. Oh, see, blues, y'all. And this also has a gold, but it's kind of less of a like bright gold and more, I guess maybe rose goldy for its components. But I love, y'all, the matte frosted beads are so much my jam. So let's see. I'm trying to see how this does. So there's this beautiful bright blue bead. There's some kind of ceramic bead. That's a neat shape. One of these multi-faceted beads. A rhinestone spacer. Ooh, this is neat. It's like a spacer, but it's got gems in it. And then it repeats back down a couple more times. So that is pretty cool. And then instead of pairs, this is in 3s, it looks like. I do have 4 of the matte ones. So I like that. All right. Enamel Chain in white. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting one of these from Jesse James. One of these enamel chains from them. They're super cool. Have you seen them? If I can get it out of my bag. So it's like a chevron type pattern with these like enamel points to them. Super cool. So this one is in white, but it's not like super bright white. It's almost like an off-white. And both sides of the chain have the enamel on them. I've got to figure out how to take it apart to use it. But yeah. Ooh. I mean, that would just as a bracelet on its own. Oh, I think I just had an idea. I will, yeah, we'll get to that later when I start designing. Okay, then there's Bead Mix and Under the Sea. Let me see. Ooh, y'all, I like that. All right, I'm going to get this open and we'll go through it together. I've got it open, so let's pour this out and see what we've got. I already see a few things that I am smitten with. All right, so first off, check out this Mermaid Charm. She is double-sided, I think, and it's almost like she's sitting, maybe not in a moon so much, but just within that charm. Fabulous. There's also, oh, there's 2 of them. Little turtle charms. Oh, turtles. Yes. And then these, oh, these are neat. All right, so these are gold enamel stars, which I'm going to assume are starfish, and they are drilled from top to bottom like that. Ooh, and they're this really neat green. I like that. All right, all right, all right. All right, so then let's sort through. I've got some brass beads here. I don't know what to call them. They're like a teardrop, but they've got like the lines brought out on them. Is my light okay? Okay. So there's some brass in there. Most of this is gold. There's a little bit, there's the charms that are silver, and then I've got these like silver beads here as well that are super neat. They're almost like a bicone melon, but not really as pointy as a bicone. And then there are these glass beads here that are like white with green speckles. That would be really neat with the turtles. Just thinking about like what a turtle's back looks like, kind of. All right, these glass beads, I always love beads like this that have the like metallic on the sides and they're see-through in this beautiful teal. Y'all, I love these colors. Love, love, love. So here are some of these. These are like those multifaceted beads we had in the bead strand up here, but they're smaller. Ooh. All right. Oh, here's a neat charm. Oh, there's 2. There's 2 of them. All right. They're kind of a milky opaly bead set in these, and so the backs have this texture on them. Ooh, all right. Yay. All right, I keep being drawn to these flowers. Now, I have had the cabs like these resin flowers before, but these are beads. So they've got holes drilled in them and the backs are rounded. And I'm trying to figure out what I would do with them, but I really like them. All right, then we've got quite a few of these large kind of creamy, champagne-y crystals. I love that. I love the how neutral that can be. So that's beautiful. Since I'm moving that one around, there's these turquoise faceted beads that are really lovely. Love those. And then some lime green crystal beads. Awesome. A few, what do you call spacer beads, daisy spacers, gold daisy spacers. And then finally, these are a lighter champagne than those larger ones, but they are a teardrop shape. And again, I love how neutral they are. Do you see the teardrop shape in them? Nice. All right, let me get a little bowl or something to put these in so I can have them all together. All right, we're gonna put all of these here. So I have the Under the Sea mix together. All right, the next one is the Bead Mix and Treasure Trove. All right, ooh, can y'all hear that thunder? All right, again, I'm gonna open this real quick and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, so this open, let's go ahead and pour it out. And what did we say this was? Treasure Trove. Oh, I want everything. There we go. All right. Oh, what have we got? There's some neat things. Oh, more turtles. Oh, y'all. Wait, what is that? They are cages that are turtles that when you close them, you can run. Y'all, that is super neat. Do you see that? How it opens, and then once you string something through it, it's closed. And it's a cage. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to find something to put in it. What can I put in it? Let's try one of these little green ones. Y'all. Okay. And I may have figured that one out. So there's two of those. These silver turtles. Awesome. And then a big starfish that's got a loop back here. So that's really beautiful. There's two of these. I think I had some bigger ones of these I just put in a necklace the other day, but I really like the, I don't know, I'm not usually big on ornateness, but I kind of like how like swirly those are. Then let's see, I'll go ahead and grab these. There's 4 of these kind of blue. I always consider this an oil slick kind of color. So glass oil slick beads. And then there's some rectangular ones that are similar but a little more transparent. Alright, and then some cube ones similar, but they've got a little matteness to them. Like where the flat is shiny, but where it's not flat is matte. So that's really neat. Alright, there are, is this, yeah, these two I think go, do they? I think they do. These two go together. These beads, I don't even know what color, like a sage green almost. But it's almost blue. I don't know what you call that. These are, I'm trying to see if they're square or diamonds. They are squares in this really pretty blue. And here's some more of these glass beads with like the coating on them, except these are blue with like a purpley pink. Alright, that goes really well with the oil slick. Oh, and alright, I heard somebody call these like chip spacers or chip beads because they kind of look like Pringles, I guess. And these are like a matte color. Very cool. Alright. And more rhinestone spacers. You can never go wrong with a rhinestone spacer. And these mermaid tails with the blue and the like purple on them. Love that. Perfect for earrings or, oh wait, I can see them along a necklace. I'm thinking. And then these flat silver beads are super cool. I think I already said I love some matte or frosted glass beads. So there's these blue ones. These are the same, similar color, but they're more elongated. Alright, that is, what did I say? Treasure Trove. Haha. So we're going to put them in their own little thing. But y'all, those turtles. What can I say about that? Alright, and then, oh my gosh, we still have 2 more things on this list, y'all. So there's Bead Mix and Seashells. These magical mystery bead boxes have a lot in them. So this is the Bead Mix and Seashells. And again, I'm going to open it and come back. Alright, here we go with this one. Pour it out. Seashells. Alright, and it is indeed very seashell-y. Missed something there. Alright. So, first things first are these actual shells. What? I can't think what you call these shells. I've had beads like this before, but never ones that are open like this, which I think is super neat. I've got to figure out how you run that, or how I would wrap that. I think having them open makes it a little bit easier to make that decision. All right, then there's these two large coppery beads. They got large holes on them. That's kind of fun. Okay, so these are like those other ones, but they are gold. And just like those shells, they're unique in themselves. So each one's a little bit different. They're not consistent. So that's fun. It gives that very organic feel to them. A couple of coppery seashell, like conch-shaped charms. Then some flats. These look like pearl, mother of pearl coin beads. Love that. Again, I like the neutralness of it. And then these are some, I can't think what the kind of shell is, but they may be just mother of pearl 2 beads as well. So that is nice and neutral, and I do love that. All right, so we're going to put these in their own little bowl as well. And then the final thing on my list is a beachside ceramic focal. So that's going to be this. So ceramic. And here we go. It's a big shell with like blues and greens on it. I love that wash. It's got a little bit of purple in it. Oh yeah. That is lovely. All right, y'all. So this was the Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jesse James Beads for May. No, that was just May. You know, I think it's probably a lot of fun to have that surprise of what's coming in the mail and not know, and then get this whole bounty of beads. So, like I said, I'm sure this is really great if you're trying to build up your bead stash or you love that surprise. And so far, all the beads I've used from Jesse James have been really nice. I've been able to, they've really helped fill out some things I couldn't figure out what to do myself. So I highly recommend it. So this one, we're going to see what all I can make from it. So y'all come back and check again. I'll be using these, I think, for a couple months actually. So there'll be all kinds of stuff, beachy and summer vibes and all that, which is definitely my jam because I live on the Alabama Gulf Coast, and the beach, I can go to the beach the whole year. It's nice. So all right, y'all, I will see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Like this, subscribe, and see you later.